What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the New York area? We ask you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in New York. Here are the New York results. Of course, the best local Jamaican patty shop or bakery in New York. Guess it is Golden Crust. Is that one?
I'm
Golden
taking
Crust
everything.
is our winner.
Everything
For the
tonight.
patties, the best place to buy Jamaican groceries. It's Sam's Caribbean Marketplace. And what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? Tropical Jerk Center and Seafood in New York. And the best Caribbean Jamaican annual event you missed attended due to COVID. It is the West Indian Day Parade in New York and a tie with the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. Congratulations to you all winners in New York.